Slavic flags. Slavs are the largest cultural and linguistic group in Europe, making up more than a third of the continent's population. This group has played a major role in shaping European history and culture. Despite speaking different languages, Slavs share common roots, traditions, and a sense of unity. There are more than 13 Slavic nations today. Only 6 of them primarily use the Pan-Slavic colors, red, white, and blue. These countries are Russia, Serbia, the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Slovenia, and Croatia. So why do these 6 nations share such similar flags? The answer lies in their shared history and the Pan-Slavic movement. This movement aimed to unite the Slavic peoples under a single identity and fight against empires that sought to control them. The colors red, white, and blue were chosen as symbols of unity and freedom. These colors were officially adopted at the Pan-Slavic Congress in 1848, held in Prague, Russia. The Russian flag was the inspiration for the Pan-Slavic colors. It was influenced by the Netherlands during the reign of Peter the Great in the late 17th century. Peter admired the Dutch naval power and wanted Russia to learn from their advances, including the flag design. The red, white, and blue colors became symbols of Russia's identity and strength. Today, Russia's flag is not only a national emblem, but also a representation of its cultural and historical pride. An interesting fact is that the Russian Navy used a similar flag called the St. Andrew's Cross, which predates the current design. Serbia, the Serbian flag, also has its roots in the Russian flag, which became a symbol of Slavic unity. The first Serbian flag, created in 1835, featured the same colors to emphasize the bond between the two nations. After World War II, Yugoslavia added a red star to represent socialism. When Yugoslavia dissolved, Serbia returned to its old flag design in 2010. Today, the Serbian flag includes a double-headed eagle, a symbol of Serbian power and independence. The red, blue, and white stripes represent the values of courage, loyalty, and freedom. Czechia. The Czech flag was initially similar to Poland's flag, featuring only red and white. To make it different, a blue triangle was added by designer Jaroslav Kursa in 1920. This flag remained unchanged during World War II and was retained after the Czech Republic separated from Slovakia in 1993. The red and white colors represent Bohemia, while the blue triangle symbolizes Moravia. The flag stands as a reminder of Czechia's resilience and ability to adapt throughout history. Slovakia. The Slovak flag incorporates the same Pan-Slavic colors, but includes a unique shield design in the center. The shield features a white double cross and 3 blue peaks representing the Carpathian Mountains. This design was first used during Slovakia's struggle for independence from Hungarian rule in 1848. The double cross symbolizes Christianity's role in Slovak history. Adopted in 1992, the current flag reflects Slovakia's journey to independence. Croatia. The Croatian flag combines ancient symbols with Slavic colors. The red, white, and blue stripes have been associated with the Kingdom of Slavonia for centuries. The centerpiece, a checkerboard pattern known as the Šahovnica, represents the Kingdom of Croatia. Above the checkerboard is a crown of 5 smaller shields, each representing regions like Dalmatia and Istria. These elements highlight Croatia's complex history and modern unity. The flag was officially adopted in 1990, just before Croatia's independence. Slovenia. The Slovenian flag was introduced during the Pan-Slavic movement in 1848. It was later adapted by adding a red star during Yugoslavia's socialist era. The current flag, adopted in 1991, features the coat of arms of Slovenia, which includes Mount Triglav, the nation's highest peak, 2 wavy blue lines for rivers and the sea, and 3 golden stars representing the Counts of Celje, a noble family. The flag symbolizes Slovenia's love of nature and its proud historical roots. While their colors are similar, each of these flags tells a unique story about the countries they represent. From Russia's influence on the Pan-Slavic movement to Croatia's checkerboard and Slovenia's golden stars, every detail holds a piece of history. Together, these flags remind us of the unity and shared culture of the Slavic nations, while also celebrating their individual differences. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to subscribe. Would you like me to create videos about other flags and their histories? Let me know your thoughts.